Another day, another us on gold. Let's get it. Yesterday, gold didn't give us anything, any entry, any opportunity. So let's see if today is going to do that. So today, I'll start on the same process on monthly time frame. It's kind of boring, but I have to do it. So that's our nearest target like there. I'll go down weekly to see. Okay, weekly, we are quite bullish, respecting this imbalance like here. Or you can see that's imbalance like there. So let's go down time frame daily. On daily time frame, pretty nice. We leave out imbalances, but if you look closely, we had this imbalance right here, but that candle which touched the imbalance didn't respect that imbalance. So the anticipation is we are continuing high, disrespecting this imbalance. So what's our nearest target? Our nearest target is right here, the swing high. That's our target. So let's go down time frame because we can see our daily candle like today. We are quite bullish. We don't look for reversals right there. I'll go onto my 4-hour time frame. My 4-hour time frame tells me everything, man. Not everything, actually, just joking. We have this imbalance which was respected, right, to continue high. And we can tell after that respect, we don't have any imbalances like there. So what's our nearest target? We are still defining our nearest target, right? We're not here to take home runs. We're here to take opportunities, to look for opportunities and stay in the market. I don't know, man. So that's our nearest target. That's imbalance on 4-hour time frame. And if you look closely, we are 8 a.m. right now. And what do I want to see? Do I need to wait for another 4-hour candle? I don't think so. So I'll go down time frame. 1 hour. Do we have an imbalance on 1 hour? Yeah, we did. Yep, we did. But this imbalance has already been respected for price to continue high. So what do I do? Okay, for the next 15 minutes, I just want to see imbalance on 15 minutes so as I can take my entry off of 1 minute based on 15-minute context. So what's up with 15 minutes? 15 minutes doesn't have any imbalance. Is this an imbalance right here? Chart, is this an imbalance right here? Fellow traders, yes, it is, but will price little to push this low to continue high? I don't know. I'll just add my alert right there. So what do I want to see? Within 15 minutes or next hour, I just want to see 15-minute imbalance, something like these imbalances. I'll look for my entry off of those. So let's go. If price react off of this imbalance, I'll look for my entry. As I'm watching 15 minutes and 1 hour for my context, and for my entry will be around 5 minutes and 1 minute. And that's a quick overview of what I'm watching. Nice. Looks like 1 hour is trying to create an imbalance right there. So I'll be watching the price action, and that's it. That's an update. Quick overview.